DAO has existed for over 25 years in the DSD industry. We have an in-house support team that is incredibly capable and has tools to provide support beyond all of our competitors. The biggest challenge that we've had is we used to spend hours back and forth, and maybe you don't get to a resolution and they need to go and call you back. And a lot of those processes were more error prone because of the tools available. And when we have this disconnect with thousands in the field and you're having issues not being able to see what the end user's seeing or to be able to get the information from the device that you need to resolve the problem is a major challenge. For our business, one of the biggest goals is to have the best customer service to support our customers' business and their route drivers, the end users, in a way that our competitors don't. SOTI MobiControl and X-Site really enable us to optimize not just our customer support, our business, but this transforms our customers' business.
MobiControl has really helped us streamline our processes, especially in our staging of equipment. MobiControl has allowed us to take a process that in the past was very time-consuming, involving SD cards, involving a lot of time to provision those devices. What we've been able to do with MobiControl is via a QR code. Once you take the device out of the box, you scan this QR code, it provisions the device, enrolls it in SOTI MobiControl, and pushes down all the configuration that device needs, including the correct version of our application. One of the key benefits that we've been able to get from MobiControl is when we are pushing those app updates, we're able to push them to the customer quickly and efficiently, but also cause no disruption to the customer, so the customer can continue working as we're sending the update to our application in the background. Through SOTI X-Site, we've been able to actually revolutionize the level of support that we can provide our customers. So gone are the days where the customer is calling our support team and saying, hey, I'm having problems with screen A, and then our support team asking them, what do you see on screen A? What is happening? Instead, now through SOTI X-Site remote control, we can remote control into that device and see in real time what the customer sees, allowing those support calls to go from 45 minutes to just a few minutes, where our support team can see what's going on and fix the problem.
Engineers use MobiControl to interact with devices at a lower level, collect the information that we need to solve problems, and we use X-Site to analyze our cellular data usage and to optimize that to support our business package that we provide.
With our application being a real-time data sync application, our devices required constant internet connection, which we solve through providing cellular service to all of our customers. And with that comes the business risk of data overages. And so in order for us to mitigate that risk, we needed a solution to help us stay on top of what's using the data.
X-Site really allowed us to provide cellular data along with our package because it gives us the monitoring tools that we need to be able to control how much data is being used on the devices and see some devices may be using more data than others, and it allows us to target those devices and find out why and get to the bottom of what's causing that.
SOTI has really helped us transform our business, helped us to achieve a better experience for our customers. So from cutting downtime to 50% due to failures, to us getting deployments out a lot faster to the customer, to taking our support calls and cutting that call time down 85%, allowing our customers to focus on their business and not troubleshooting problems.
I think if you asked anyone in the company who's used MobiControl, they would tell you it's made their job easier and more efficient, and it's just as importantly made them more capable.
Based on how quickly we can get new customer deployments out to the field using MobiControl, it's really helped reduce the stress in my workload. SOTI has become a game changer for us to take our services and our support to the next level.